If you're looking to manage internet usage on your iPhone, this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to easily block any website on Safari with just a few simple steps. I will guide you through the entire process and make sure that all unwanted websites are blocked forever. Whether it's for yourself or for the kids, this video will give you the guidance needed to stay safe online. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, go to your iPhone settings and then tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll down a little bit and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Once you are on this screen, toggle on the Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then tap where it says Content Restrictions. After that, tap where it says Web Content. So right now I have unrestricted access, but if you want to block websites, simply select Limit Adult Websites. After you select that, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a section called Never Allow. So if you add any websites to this Never Allow list, it will block access to those websites. So go ahead and tap on Add Website. And now all you have to do next is enter the URL of the website that you want to block. So for example, I'm going to enter wikipedia.org and then tap Done. As you can see now, this website has been added to the Never Allow list. So, what I recommend now is that you create a password for the content restriction settings, otherwise, anyone can change the settings and re-access the site that you blocked. So go back to Screen Time, and then tap where it says, Use Screen Time Passcode, and then simply enter your passcode. So now let's go over to Safari and go to wikipedia.org. As you can see, it says you cannot browse this page because it is restricted. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.